Hello everyone, welcome you all in today's my video. In today's video, I will teach you topic about continent. Okay, we have your geography chapter, that is Reliance of the Earth. So let's start this video with this topic, that is continent. Next, we will study continent about Africa. Third continent, Africa. Okay, so Africa is second largest continent. The major portion of Africa lies in the northern hemisphere. Okay, so I said Africa is second largest continent. Okay, on Earth, Africa covers 20% of the Earth's total area. Africa is also the second most populous country on Earth. A large part of Africa lies in the northern hemisphere. The equator, Tropic of Cancer, and Tropic of Capricorn passes through Africa. The holds the distinction of the only continent having all three latitudes passing through it. Okay, so I show this physical map of Africa, and this is political map of Africa. Okay, I hope mm, this is clear visible all of you. Okay, this in this atlas, this map is about Africa. So Africa is the Africa is the second largest continent on Earth, and Africa covers 20% of the Earth's total land area. So a large part of Africa lies in the northern hemisphere, and the equator, Tropic of Cancer, and Tropic of Capricorn passes through Africa. Okay, so um, so world longest river, Nile. Okay, Nile River is world's longest river. It is lies in Africa. It has two main tributaries and passes through 11 countries. I again repeat, world's largest river, Nile, is in Africa. It has two main tributaries and passes through 11 countries. It flows from Tanzania, located in south of Africa, and flows till Egypt, located in the north of Africa. This is a northward flowing river and is around 6,650 kilometer long. The largest hot desert on the earth. Okay, uh, largest hot desert on the earth is Sahara Desert, which is located in also in Africa. It extends from the Atlantic Ocean in the west to the Red Sea located in the east. The Sahara Desert covers a large part of African continent. Mediterranean Sea lies to the north of the Sahara Desert. Next continent we will read about North America. Okay, so this in this atlas, physical map of North America, and this is political map. So about North America continent, it is the third largest continent. Okay, first is Asia, and second is Africa, and North America is third largest continent, and North America and South America are connected to each other by the Isthmus of Panama. Isthmus is a narrow strip of land which join two land masses. Okay, so North America is the largest continent in the world. The continent lies completely in the northern and western hemisphere. The Isthmus of Panama, a narrow strip, link North America and South America. Okay, South America in this atlas, I show you. um, this is South America map, and this area is here. This area is called Isthmus of Panama, uh, a narrow strip links North America and South America. This continent is surrounded. This continent means North America. North America is surrounded by three oceans. Okay, three oceans. They are Atlantic Ocean. Okay, Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. Okay, next continent is South America. So, a major portion of South America is in southern hemisphere. We already read South America are connected to South America and North America are connected to each other by the Isthmus of Panama, and a major portion of South America is in southern hemisphere. Okay, that is reason this continent is called South America. Uh, and there are 12 sovereign states in South America. This is I again show in map in atlas map of South America, and this continent is located in southern hemisphere. In terms of total area, South America is the fourth largest continent. I again repeat, first largest continent is Asia, second is Africa, third is North America, and fourth is South America. So Pacific Ocean is located to the west of South America. To the east of South America lies the Atlantic Ocean. I again repeat, Pacific Ocean is located. Pacific Ocean. This is Pacific Ocean is located in west side of South America, and to the east side of South America lies Atlantic Ocean. This side Atlantic Ocean. This side, and uh, Brazil is the most populous country in South America. Brazil. Okay. Mm, here in physical map, this is Brazil. This area is Brazil. So Brazil is the most populous country in South America. The Andes mountain is the world's longest above water mountain range, and it is located in South America. The world's largest river is the Amazon River. Okay, Amazon River. Here this is Amazon River. So our largest river Amazon, um, Amazon River, and it is located in South America. So next continent we will read about Australia.